Alright, it's June 6th, right? I've been gone away from home. Like in a couple days, it's gonna be 5 months since I've been away from home. It's about to be like 6 months since I probably made my last YouTube video, right? I've been gone for a hot minute. I miss my wife. I've been bored. A bunch of shit been going on. So basically, I just wanna jot it down, document it real quick, where I've been, what I've been up to, like what I've done so far and what I'm working towards next. So January 13th, I left for basic training. I know I probably didn't tell anybody. I mean, who was supposed to know? No. If you didn't know, you weren't supposed to know. I don't know what else to say, right? So January 13th, I left for basic training for the army, joined the army. Left for basic training. That's a whole story in and of itself, that was fun and it was annoying. It was like a bunch of things in one, but it was a memory that I'll probably hold on to because I learned a lot, did a lot. I've figured out myself a little bit, I guess I could say, So that was an experience I'm glad I went through. Right now, I'm in AIT, right? It's been exactly 8 weeks since I've been here, I think, and for my MOS, my AIT is 16 weeks, so I'm like exactly halfway through, so I have 8 more weeks to go. And usually, when I'm guessing in situations like this, when people are in AIT, you have to look forward to, at least, there's like a little thing, it's called the A-trap duty, where you get to go home for like 2 weeks or something to help your recruiter. So you get to see your family. But with all this that's going on now with the coronavirus, all that is canceled. So it's like when I leave here, they're just gonna send me directly to my duty station, right? So it's like I won't even get to have a chance to see my family, I guess. But I mean, by the time I leave here, I'm about to be going away from home for like over 6 months. So I guess I'm kind of starting to get used to it, but I don't want to get used to it because I want to see my baby. And I want to see Mom Dukes. I want to see my brother. I want to see my sisters. I want to see my nephew. You feel me? Like, I want to be away from this type of environment for a little while. Just take a little break. Because after a while, this should start getting to you. Should start getting a little annoying, But it is what it is. I'm glad I'm getting a chance to, experience it. Because for all my time since I've been here, all I've wanted to do is, actually do something and feel productive. And, that's what I'm doing right now. I feel productive being here. I feel productive working towards all the stuff that I've been saying that I want to accomplish. So I guess this is all for a good thing. So I've just been trying to look at the bright side of it all, I know my baby missed me. And my baby know I miss her. So this shit is kind of I'm not going to say depressing, but it's kind of annoying, especially since I'm in AIT, so we're learning the MOS and we're having to do tests and stuff, and then we got to come back here where there's drill sergeants and stuff, so it can get a little stressing. But I guess that's the point of the environment, right? To have you learn under this type of situation. So I guess it is what it is, man. It's what we signed up for. At times you enjoy it. It's like, hell yeah, this is exactly what I signed up for. There's times when we do PT, physical training, when we do PT outside and it's raining. There was one day where actually it was raining like crazy, and it was pouring like crazy, and we were working out, and I remember we started shouting yeah, this is what we signed up for. Shit was excuse my language, that shit was crazy, right? So yeah, man, just wanted to do a little update. I don't even know if I'm allowed to do this shit, make this video. I probably won't even goddamn post it. Shit, if I post it, don't tell my drill sergeant. I don't know. It shouldn't be a problem with me documenting stuff that I've been going through, right? But I'm gonna do little updates and try to get back into it, because that's almost 6 months. It's not even almost, probably more. It's exactly 6 months since the last video I made, and I made this channel to try to document my life and try to document Sugar's life, So it's a big gap in it. I don't want to leave it empty any longer, So I'm gonna try to sneak little videos, and I'm gonna make sure if The only reason I can think they wouldn't want me to make videos here is if I'm like showing stuff that I'm not supposed to show. And right now, I don't think y'all really seen anything. Y'all seen a bunk in the background. You seen a door right there. And I'm pretty sure on Instagram, every time I go on Instagram, a whole bunch of people that I went to basic with, they post a lot of shit that have more than just a fucking bunk, or excuse my language, a bunk and a door in the background. So this shouldn't be a problem. You know, YouTube is basically just another social platform, just like Instagram and shit like that. So it shouldn't be a problem with me documenting myself talking. I'm not even in uniform. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do a little bit more. Try to talk about some of the stuff that I've done, you know, and I'm gonna try to make like a video talking about what my next move is, because this was kind of like step one for me. Finally, yo, y'all don't understand how good that shit feels, yo. Like, step one is, it's not done yet because I haven't graduated AIT yet, but it feels like I'm working towards completing step one of everything, and that shit feels good. But I will say that it was a bummer when I finished basic training. I didn't have a graduation, so I know nobody probably have my goddamn social media. Like on my social media page right now, there's no pictures of me graduating or anything. My graduation was just like on a Facebook live video that was blurry, so nobody was able to see me. No family came or nothing because of the whole COVID-19 virus. So that was kind of a bummer, you know. That shit suck. And I hope when I graduate here, which I'm gonna graduate in a couple months, I hope that like this COVID thing kind of just calmed down a little bit, so my family could come here for graduation so I can take some pictures. Because the whole point of me making these YouTube videos was so I can document my life. Of course, I'm gonna want goddamn pictures of my graduation. I didn't get one for basic training. I would hope I can get one for AIT, you know? So I can have something to show. Like, it sucks. What am I gonna show my kids? They're like, Dad, you didn't even graduate basic. You don't got no picture. I'm like, shut up. You know, but it is what it is, man. We've been trying to adapt to this COVID thing. But I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna make another one talking about all the effects that COVID been having and everything. But it's been alright so far, man. So that's what's up. So to summarize everything, I left January 13th, 2020 for basic training. Alright, I graduated like in March. Came to AIT. I'm still in AIT, doing my best, you know, trying my hardest. And that's about it for right now. I'll make a couple more videos explaining anything else that I feel like I should put down that I might forget later on. Alright.